Bro, I'm about to tell you the easiest ways to make money with TLS Inspired. All you got to do is one, tell them why they should wear TLS Inspired. Two, drop the link. Tell them get TLSinspired.com. Number three, just get paid. It's just that simple. Let's get it. How's everybody doing? Hey, I'm going to get straight into it. Listen, my real life situation for today is, have you ever been like harassed or anything like that in a retail store? I think I'm just at that point where like people are like noticing me a lot, because my notoriety and my success. So I think when I get in stores, like they like bother me because they want my attention, or I don't know what it is. But anyways, make sure you guys subscribe, okay? Anyway, thanks for tuning into the Lionel Show, your number one source for real life situation entertainment. Remix. Yo, what up? It's Lionel, you know me. I can rap, I can act, I can dance. It's a dream, but see me, I'm a G from the D and the streets, making cream on the scene. That's the team, I make them scream. But then again, I think you a D. They put me on TV and hold me down in my town. I see you haters with a frown. I'm from the mile, if y'all heard. If we got to, we a clown. We got more money than that dude you call a king with a crown. What? Hey, I'm still giving, look, hey, I know it's a new episode, new season, new year, all that coming up. Listen, I'm still giving cash apps to anybody who can learn that. Listen, I am now officially a granddad. And I can't believe it, man. Well, actually, I can believe it because she's so precious, bro. My song, well, a little bit more about my granddaughter. Basically, listen, her, my daughter, and me, like, we are like literally the human version if I look better in person was a person. Literally, like, when you see us in person, like, people like be like, whoa, you look better in person. Like, it's really like that serious. Like, between her, me, my daughter, like, it's bar none. So, and I'm not trying to brag or anything. I'm just saying, like, if you see a picture, like, yes, we look nice on pictures, but like, you see us in person, you'd be like, oh, wow, I get it. Anyway, that's another story. That's my genes, but hey, it is what it is. I take my credit, you know what I mean? You feel me? I know y'all probably seen the pendant on the intro, so tell me if y'all like the pendant. I gotta add stuff to it. It's still like, just in the making, but it's like, at least we got the pendant now, y'all. I know y'all been waiting on me to get the pendant. Anyways, my song for this show is Barbie World. That's Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice featuring Aqua. Featured on the Grammys this year coming up. So, Nicki Minaj has never gotten a Grammy, unfortunately. As a Barbie, I'm saying it like that. But she, the little situation they got going on with the Grammys, but she actually, shouted them out for nominating her Barbie World song. But she's going to get some heavy hitters, but that doesn't mean that she can't, compete and win. I'm going to leave it at that. It's possible. Anything is possible. My food for this show is Wendy's. I know. Y'all know they paid me recently, before, shout out to them, man. They paid me before to, like, talk about their Baconator, and they paid me, like, hey, just tweet this out, we'll pay you. Boom. Hey, they paid me. They shout out to Wendy's for that. But this is a whole different ball game. I actually cheated on my diet with Wendy's, y'all. And because it was like a free burger from somebody. So I was like, all right, I'll take it. But then also I found out, after that, like, well, it was like, I gave somebody like 1/4 of the burger, so I only ate like 3/4. So I still cheated on the diet, but whatever. It was a double deluxe burger. It was good, bro. But anyways, I found out also that they have fish sandwiches at Wendy's now, and the fish sandwich wasn't bad, man. I tried it. It was pretty good, actually. I would recommend it. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Anyways, my clothing for this show. Oh my God, my daughter has did her big one. Her big one, guys. She has launched her first official website, LilMissWealthy.com. Come on, go shop with my daughter ASAP. That's gonna be all of the women's clothing, women's, girls to women's, and she got like a little tiny bit for boys to men. That's my audience, the boys and men. But she got a little something for the boys to men of the Wealthy collection as well. So go shop with my daughter easily, guys. Come on now. And we already got the Get TLSinspired.com, and then we also have TLSallin.com, where you can get everything, clothing, everything that you need to know about TLS. Bang, that's the entertainment news. Listen, the Breakfast Club, man, they had Jada Pinkett on. Listen, now this is why she should have went there first. A lot of people, even the city girls, they said, hey man, I wish we would have went to the Breakfast Club earlier. like when you go into like the breakfast, like people try to break that structure. I don't know if it's because they got something against Envy or Charlemagne, but you cannot, whatever you got against them personally, don't discredit their audience for the hip hop community. So what happens is a lot of people go there late, but they could have went there before and sold more, or been a little more successful with their stuff, because the community are listening to the Breakfast Club. Period. Like, and the numbers show they getting a lot of markets for a reason. Okay. Anyways, Jada Pinkett went on there and, bro. So she been like, everybody know about her campaign. So I was like, when she came on there, I was like, okay, maybe this gonna change my perspective of what I've been hearing about her. No, it did not. Jada Pinkett she's different, bro. She's different. I seen some videos and stuff like with her dancing with Tupac and stuff, and like she really did like Tupac. Like I was like, bro, she really was like, you could tell she was head over heels with Tupac. And I seen some, recently some stuff with Will Smith and Nia Long. That should have been a thing. Hey, tell me what y'all think about that, because come on now, Will Smith and Nia Long. Hey, I'm just saying. Jada Pinkett went on the Breakfast Club, right? And she was talking about the situation, her book or whatever. Anyways, and see, this is why she should have been went on the Breakfast Club, because Charlemagne she said something about, I was dealing with my stuff. You know how she talks. And DJ Envy was like, okay, what stuff are you talking about? See, everybody else don't ask that kind of stuff because they're not listening to every word. See, the Breakfast Club, that's one thing they are smart at. They can listen. So what they did, what DJ Envy asked her, like, what stuff are you talking about? And she's like, well, my this and that. Like, just the little things matter, bro, when it comes to an interview. I may not interview a lot of people, but I know how. Trust me, I don't have a talk show because I don't know how to interview. I just choose not to, because I don't, like, my success is going to be based off my success. Like, my interviews come organically. I've had a few in my career, but, y'all seen when I was on TV or whatever. And I don't, like, base my show off of interviews, because then it won't be organic. You know what I mean? You guys remember my theme show when he said, we need what co-hosts? Like, come on, man. Like, anyways, so yeah, and then Charlemagne was asking her questions about ego. Now, this was an important question as well, because think about it, Jada Pinkett kept her last name. Like, she was like, what, Pinkett Smith? How was her name? What was her Jada Pinkett Smith or something like that? But she kept her last name. Like, that has a little bit to do with her ego, number one. Number two, for her to tear down, like, to feel that she has to, like, somehow tear down Will Smith's image in order to, like, boost her and Tupac's whatever situation is kind of weird to me. No matter what her and Will Smith went through, Will Smith took her in, and based his life around her. You know what I mean? So she should respect him as her baby father, number one. Number two, as her husband or ex-husband, whatever it is. She should respect him. And then boyfriend, like, it's a lot of reasons why she should respect him and, like, try to keep his name out of stuff when she's trying to sell her own stuff, because it's easier that way. Like, respect Will Smith, man. Everybody love Will Smith. Like, you bashing him, that's not helping you at all. Like, everybody love Will Smith. Like, until you start, and even with the stuff Will Smith did recently, to go into detail about it, like laying hands on people, it was because of her still. So it's still like, okay, I don't know, man. I didn't want to talk about this, but they came on the Breakfast Club, so y'all know the Breakfast Club that's my breakfast for the day. So I had to talk about it because Jada Pinkett came on the Breakfast Club. So that news, DDG, bro. You got Soulja Boy, then DDG. Like, when you think about the kings of the internet, let's keep it a buck. Like, we got some new kings, but, like, when you think about kings of the internet, you got Soulja Boy, then you got DDG. You know what I mean? Like, come on, bro. Like, don't front. Anyway, DDG dropped the song She Don't Play, and he had to get that cleared by, y'all know, I think it was Lil Mama or somebody who made that original song, but lip gloss song or something like that. But he had to get it cleared, so he got it cleared, and that song She Don't Play it's a bop. Like, it like, come on, man. And then a little dance he do with it, so he got TT and Brooklyn doing the dance and stuff, so, like, he's smart, man. Smart move. But that song is it's a good one for sure. And it's a problem. Like, it's literally a problem, guys. Listen, all of that said, man, the song and what I know about the video is fire. Like, give him his credit, man. Give dog his credit, man. Like, a lot of people that come from, I'm just, put it like this, man. I'm proud of my Michigan brother, man. Like, he came from nothing, like literally nothing, like just posting videos on YouTube and turned it. Now he's dropping songs that's like, you know, getting 1 million views in a couple days. Like, come on, man. That's not normal, like, at all. Anyways, my local news, I went #1 in 6 different categories for my newest deal. That's unheard of. #1 in 6 categories. I do the sales junk, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, hey, I'm just saying, bro. Like, it is what it is. Give me my flowers, bro. Listen, if you want to get paid with me though, like, I don't just like promote to like brag. I promote to brag upon you that you can get paid with me too. Go to TLS2009.com. Check it out. You already heard me talk about it. My daughter just dropped a fire business. I'm talking about like explosive, like I'm like everybody's talking about it, like it's going crazy. My daughter has dropped a fire business, guys, and it is officially LilMissWealthy.com. Comment, like, subscribe. Hey, man. Say, man. Shout out to Smooth Geo, man. A lot of people say amen, say man, and don't give him his credit. Hey, I will never say something purposely and don't give nobody their flowers for inventing it. Like, some people be trying to use, like, get inspired. Bruh, you ain't never heard of that. Get inspired, get TLS inspired. You never heard TLS anything, inspire anything. You never seen many triangles with letters in it before me. Don't front, man. You got Prada, you got Guess, you got the upside down triangle, shout out to them. But listen, you never seen a triangle like mine. So people trying to use the triangle for their logo and all that, but ain't nothing like TLS, man. So like I said, comment, like, subscribe. Hey, man. Hey, we got the ladies line now. Like, when you go #1 in 6 categories, you know something. So that's why we gotta have a ladies line. Hey, shop LilMissWealthy.com for sure. Hey.